everyone! This is Theresa
and Courtney
with Yellow Daisy.
Welcome to our channel.
This is our very first video, and today we thought we would kick it off with a decluttering series.
We'll be organizing and purging my hall closets, and we'll take you through step by step on how we actually did this huge task.
We hope you enjoy our video.
We started off in my hall closet, which has all of my bath stuff, our towels, and our medicine.
The first process to decluttering and organizing is to take everything out of the closet.
And this is Daisy, my yellow lab, which is the inspiration for our YouTube name. Right here, I was trying to ask Mom what she thought about a different way to organize all my essential oils. I'm a huge Young Living fan, and I have so many oils. We were trying to figure out what's the best way to organize that.
In the intro, we said that it was a huge task. Now you understand why we use those words. Oh, we even found a sombrero in that closet. Never know what you're gonna find. And a hula hoop. We found a hula hoop in there. Daisy thought it was her toy.
And here's everything that came out of that teeny tiny closet. Can you believe how much stuff that you can fit in that little space? We organized everything by category and went through everything to see what we wanted to purge and what we wanted to keep.
Here I started writing down containers that Courtney possibly may need to go out and get to finish her organization of this closet.
We ended up with 2 bags of trash and 2 full bags to donate. And here is my closet all finished.
And with all the items that we purged, we were able to reuse all of her existing bins and baskets. So this project ended up being a free declutter organization. And who doesn't love that? Give us a thumbs up if you're all for reusing items that you currently have.
Now we're moving on to my smaller hall closet. This one houses all of our paper products, my vases, and all my cleaning supplies.
And just like the last closet, our first step was to take everything out of the closet to figure out what all was in there.
I didn't talk about it in the first closet, but I actually cleaned every shelf and the baseboards, and I actually used Thieves Cleaner from Young Living.
And here is everything from that closet. We were able to get rid of one box to donate of the vases. Who else thinks that they need to keep every vase that flowers comes in? Give us a thumbs up. We also had one bag of trash that came out of this closet.
And here's the finished product of this purged closet. This did end up taking us 2 days, but we were able to finish the entire project in 3 hours.
Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.